Hi everyone, I wish you a nice day. On the 60th anniversary of the founding of the brand, Automobili Lamborghini presents the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto, the first supersports V12 hybrid plug-in high-performance electrified vehicle, HPEV. In line with Lamborghini's long-standing tradition, the name is a tribute to a particularly notorious fighting bull that dominated the bullrings around 1880. Revuelto also roughly translates to scrambled in English, an apt description for the car's hybridized powertrain. Revuelto defines a new paradigm in terms of performance, sportiness, and driving pleasure from its unprecedented new architecture, innovative design, maximum efficiency aerodynamics, and a new carbon frame concept. The Lamborghini Revuelto 2024 is the replacement for the Lamborghini Aventador, the model launched in 2012 that followed the saga of the Countach, 1971, Diablo, 1990, and Murciélago, 2006. So, let's now take a closer look at the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto and discuss what we know so far. Under the hood, the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto features a 6.5-liter V12 making 814 horsepower and 725 Nm, 535 pounds-feet of torque, aided by 3 electric motors for a combined output of 1,001 horsepower. These electric motors are positioned with 2 on the front axle and the third motor integrated into the Revuelto's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, now mounted behind the engine. Furthermore, the 3.8 kWh battery pack is mounted between the seats. This battery can be recharged fully in 30 minutes, or via regenerative braking from the front wheels or directly from the gas engine in just 6 minutes. In ideal conditions, the Revuelto will sprint to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, but the most impressive figure is the time to 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour in under 7 seconds, and continue to a top speed of 217 miles per hour, 349 kilometers per hour. There are 3 operating modes: recharge, hybrid, and performance, which are combined with 4 driving modes: city, strada, sport, and corsa. Outside, the Revuelto chassis is based on a revolutionary carbon fiber monofuselage that Lamborghini says is 10% lighter and 25% stiffer than the Aventador's. The front features Y-shaped running lights previewed by the limited-run Lamborghini Sian from 2021, as well as a pair of spherical radar sensors giving a visual cue to the Revuelto's dramatically increased level of technology. The side view is dominated by the huge air intakes behind the doors made more aggressive by blade-like details. Above these, what initially looks like solid bodywork is just skin laid over massive air channels on each side. The brake discs are made of carbon ceramic material, and there are 2 types of the rim, 20-inch all-season tires, and 21-inch summer tires. The top of the Revuelto's V12 is visible through the rear engine cover, this being one of the core stipulations laid down by Lamborghini CEO Stefan Winkelmann. The car's back end is dominated by huge center-exit exhaust tailpipes beneath the moving wing element. We don't have a final downforce figure for the car yet, but Chief Technical Officer Ruben Moore says the peak is greater than that generated by the Aventador SVJ when that car's user-adjustable wings were in their low-drag configuration. Customers will be able to choose from 400 bodywork colors for the Lamborghini Revuelto, including the fiery orange seen here. Inside, sporting supercar style meets much improved technology in the Lamborghini Revuelto's interior. The interior attempts to take the fighter jet mimicking of past Lambo cockpits to what's billed as a spaceship design. The start button still sits underneath a red cover that must be flipped up like the controls to an aviator's weapons system. The human-machine interface HMI has expanded and now consists of 3 displays, an 8.4-inch central display, a 12.3-inch instrument cluster, and another 9.1-inch display placed ahead of the passenger. A new swipe function allows both the driver and co-pilot to move applications from one screen to the other as one would when using a smartphone. The navigation system has been comprehensively redesigned. There is Amazon Alexa integration, SiriusXM 360L takes over from the older SiriusXM, and the car supports over-the-air updates. The new steering wheel was inspired by the Asenza SCV12 and the Racing World, with rotors on the spokes containing various controls like the driving modes and the lifting system. Visible carbon fiber and leather are combined with a new ultralight fabric called Corsatex in dynamic microfiber, and the latter is made from recycled polyester by way of a water-based production process. There are 70 interior color options available. A storage compartment between the Lamborghini Revuelto seats has been included, and there is a cup holder installed in the dashboard on the passenger side. Occupants have about an inch more headroom and 3.3 inches of extra legroom. As for the cargo space in the Lamborghini Revuelto, we don't have official specs, but the front can accommodate 2 hand luggage-sized bags. Finally, Lamborghini will build the Revuelto in its historic Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy, factory. Lamborghini will launch the Revuelto near the end of the year as a 2024 model year, with pricing to be announced in due course. But given the Aventador cost more than $500,000 when it was discontinued earlier this year, don't expect the Revuelto to give you much change from your $600,000 check. Lamborghini says the first 2 years of production are already fully ordered. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.